Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia again. Now that we're all cleaned up the lot after this winter storm came through, I'm going to show you how to use your all-wheel drive system in this 2021 Kia Sportage LX all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's go do this. Kia's all-wheel drive system runs 95% power to the front wheels and 5% to the rear wheels in normal driving conditions. As you drive, it'll divert power where it needs to go to help avoid any oversteer or understeer, depending on how much load is on a wheel or if a wheel's losing any traction. You do have the option to lock the differential with a button that's here under the shifter. If I go ahead and hit lock, it will lock it into essentially like a 4x4 low mode, so you have even power to each wheel and a 50-50 front-rear torque split. Speeds up to 30 kilometers an hour. If you go over 30 kilometers an hour, it automatically removes any torque split going to the rear wheels. So essentially all you really need to do is let the all-wheel drive system work in the background and you just focus on driving. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Please also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks, guys.